Good morning, students. As you know, we are doing chapter 9, Reproduction in Animals. It's day of our class, and today we are going to study about fertilization. What is fertilization? Fertilization is a fusion of male gamete with the female gamete. Which male gamete? Sperm with the egg. And when they fuse, they form zygote, and it occurs during the sexual reproduction, and this process is called fertilization. When male gamete fuse with the female gamete to form zygote is called fertilization, and zygote is the first fertilized cell of a new organism. Fertilization of egg by the sperm, it take place inside the body of female or outside the body. So there are two types of fertilization. First one is external and second one is internal. Here you can see first picture again is of sperm. Second one is ovum. When sperm fuse with ovum, it forms zygote. Here in third picture you can see fertilization occur, and in second third picture you can see a single cell zygote. Next, external fertilization. What is external fertilization? The fertilization which occurs outside the female body is called external fertilization, and this fertilization occurs in fishes and frogs. During the rainy season, frogs move out of the pond, move to the pond, and female frog lays 100 of egg in that water, and male releases large number of sperms. Sperms swim randomly in water with the help of their tail. When sperm come in contact with the egg, fertilization occurs. Next, internal fertilization. The fertilization occur inside the female body is called internal fertilization. It occurs in the human beings, or we can say mammals, birds, reptiles, insects. Fertilization by the sperm inside the female body to form zygote. When sperm fertilize the egg, it forms zygote. Next, oviparous animals. Those animals which lay eggs are called oviparous. For example, frogs, lizards, butterflies and hens. Viviparous animals, the animal which give birth to young one, are called viviparous animal. For example, humans. We are viviparous animal because we give birth direct to young one. Fertilization in human beings. ह्यूमन में फर्टिलाइजेशन एज वी नो इंटरनल होता है. Millions of sperms are introduced into the vagina of female through penis during the mating. Releasing of sperm into the vagina is called ejaculation. As we know, sperms are highly active and motile because they have tail. That's why they are motile. They can move one place to other. When they reach fallopian tube through the uterus, only a single sperm fuse with the ovum to form a zygote. In case ovum is not fertilized by the sperm, it is expelled from the vagina along with the muscles and blood. This is known as menstruation. Development of embryo in human. Fertilization हो गई, zygote form हो गया. When zygote form, the zygote divide repeatedly and it forms a ball of 100 of cell. एक ball बन जाती है cells की, and those cells develop into different tissues, and different tissues make different type of organs of the body. This developing structure is called an embryo. Embryo, after some time, it attached to the wall of uterus for the further development. When embryo attached to the wall of uterus, this process is called implantation. When it implants, the body parts such as hands, legs, head. When fetus attached to the uterus by a special structure is called placenta, and when it completely developed, when fetus completely developed, the mother is ready to give birth to that baby. In first picture, you can see the different stages of the zygote and its implantation. First, you can see ovary release ovum. Sperm come through the vagina and fuse with the ovum, form zygote cell. And zygote further divided into 100 of cells and make a ball of those cells, and last those cells implant with the wall of uterus, and here those cells divided into different development of embryo in hen. hen के अंदर किस तरीके से एम्ब्रियो डेवलप करता है? एज वी नो, हेन्स के अंदर भी इंटरनल फर्टिलाइजेशन होती है. दे डू नॉट गिव बर्थ टू डायरेक्ट यंग वन. वो डायरेक्टली यंग वन को बर्थ नहीं दे सकते, वो एग्स ले करते हैं. एंड जब फर्टिलाइजेशन हो जाती है, जाइगोट डिवाइड करता है रिपीटेडली एंड ट्रेवल करता है ओविडक्ट तक. जैसे जैसे वो ट्रेवल करके ओविडक्ट तक आता है, फेलोपियन ट्यूब तक आता है, उसके जाइगोट के अराउंड प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर्स फॉर्म होनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. उसके बाद एक हार्ड शेल बन जाता है और फाइनली हेन एग ले कर देती है. एम्ब्रियो टेक्स 3 वीक टू डेवलप इनटू चिक. 3 हफ्ते लेता है वो डेवलप होने के लिए चिक में, और तब तक हेन क्या करती है, उस एग के ऊपर बैठती है. सो हियर यू कैन सी लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ चिकन और हेन. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ फ्रॉग. फ्रॉग में डेवलपमेंट कैसे होती है, यंग वन टू एडल्ट में कैसे चेंज होते हैं? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, न्यू इंडिविजुअल जो बॉर्न करता है. सो लेट्स टॉक in this picture, test tube baby. Okay students, this is your